right, Prep. We are now at VIS, and I have two special assistants over here for our last experiment of the year, Coke and Mentos. As you can see, Mr. Pascal has Pepsi. Miss Kirsten has Coke. We're not sure which one is gonna go higher, but let's count down from 10 to find out. Okay, 10, come on, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Mr. Pascal, how are you doing after the explosion?
I'm a bit sticky.
All right, Prep. Are you ready for one more explosive moment? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, sometimes